Today's video, we're going to be replacing the shocks on this 1996 Acura Integra LS. We got the shocks from that Integra, and we're going to be putting on this Integra. So, we already got the shocks off, but I'm going to explain real quick how the process is for taking the shocks off. Best case scenario, so the wishbone's on here like this. There's a bolt here and a bolt here. You want to unscrew this bolt. It's going to fall down a bit. It's going to take the wishbone part out of the shock. You want to take this out. So anyways, the wishbone is going to be back behind this on here, connected to the shock. You take this bolt, unscrew it. It'll disconnect it from the shock. And then you take this bolt out. You undo, there's going to be a nut here. Undo that nut. Hit it with a hammer. Get it right out. Then take the wishbone out. And then you're left with the shock. Then you unscrew the two bolts on the top, right here, or somewhere around here, wherever that hole is. I can't see it where I'm sitting at. But anyways, take those two out, and then you take out the shock, and you move it out. So that's what we already did. Now we're going to put it back in.
There you
There it
go.
goes. Alright, wishbone in. Push it up. A little wishbone. Got it in. Got the wishbone up. Make sure you read this. This is left side. VL. Read that. You know which side's left and right. I need the 15. Here we go through this side. There we go. Alright. There we go. Got it in. And it's connected. We need to lift it up again.
With the jack.
Yeah, with the jack. Hold on. Keep raising it, slow, slow, slowly. All right. Hey, I got it. All right, there we go. Magic. All right.
In there?
Yep.
Alright.
Shock and wishbones in there. This is after. As you can see, much lower. Honestly, might need a bit of adjustment, but we drove it. We moved the car and it didn't rub, so should be fine. But it looks great.